As we are moving through this process of shedding the final layers, one of the most important reminders that the essence of who we are wants us to be aware of is this notion that nothing in this world, nothing in this life can bind us, okay? We are liberated and we are free. Now, while liberation and freedom are our natural states of being, they are the states that we naturally exist in. The essence of who we are, our inner being is dwelling in a state of liberation and freedom, right? And while that is true, at the same time, we do have free will, which means that we are not always dwelling in those modes, right? So this Reiki meditation is an offering to help us surrender and ground into liberation and freedom, okay? This Reiki meditation is an offering that will help us break free from the idea or from the belief that the external experience, circumstances that we experience in this life have the ability to hold us hostage, because they do not. Now, that is a mindset. So this Reiki meditation is going to help us, or the intention for this offering is to help us break free from that mindset that says the external circumstances have the ability to bind us or to hold us hostage. Okay. So we will start by closing our eyes and taking a few breaths together to settle in. I will then turn off my camera to share the offering, and your only responsibility at that point is to settle in and receive. Okay. Once the offering is complete, you will hear the sound of a bell. As you do, as you hear that sound, I want you to remember to slowly begin to open your eyes. There is no rush, okay? You'll want to make small movements with your body and then allow yourself to gently come back into the space, okay? So let's get started. Go ahead and close your eyes. You'll start to take your attention to your breath, noticing the cool air as you inhale, noticing the warmth as you exhale in and out through your nose. As you breathe in, taking note of where in your body your breath is landing. And on your next breath in, can you give yourself permission to breathe a little deeper? And as you exhale, can you give yourself permission to extend the exhalation? We'll take a few deep breaths in together. So your eyes are already closed. We'll breathe in through the nose and we'll sigh it out through the mouth, giving yourself permission to receive, giving yourself permission to let go. Deep breath in, sighing it out. Deep breath in, sighing it out. After the next inhale, you'll hold for 3 seconds. Deep breath in, hold for 3, 2, exhale. After the next exhale, you'll hold for 3 seconds. Deep breath in, exhale the breath, and hold for 3, 2, 1. Inhale and hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale and hold for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, sigh it out through your mouth. Return to your normal breathing pattern and allow yourself to receive. Remembering as you settle into this space, as you are allowing yourself to receive any moment in which you feel the energy rising within your body, remembering that your breath is an anchor. Your breath is what sustains you. Your breath is what grounds you. So always coming back to your breath whenever you need. Your eyes are closed. You're settled in. You're giving yourself permission to receive. Take your attention to your belly, to your abdomen. Maybe place your hands there. And as you breathe in, send your breath into that space. Nothing in this world, nothing in this life can bind you. You are liberated. You are free. Nothing in this world, nothing in this life can bind you. You are liberated. You are free. As your attention is on your abdomen, imagine that there's a light that begins to swirl clockwise in that area of your body, clearing out the tension that you may be holding in this space, continuing to send your breath into that area of your body, holding the thought that says, nothing in this world, nothing in this life can bind you. You are liberated. You are free. Nothing in this world can bind you. You are liberated. You are free. Take a deep breath in and blow the breath out. And then take your attention to your shoulders. Maybe take your arms. Your right hand goes to your left shoulder. Your left arm crosses over your right and goes to rest on your right shoulder, almost like you're giving yourself a hug. And as you breathe in, send your breath into your shoulders. Begin to see a light, making figure eights from shoulder to shoulder, allowing your breath, allowing this light to clear and cleanse the tension that you may be holding in this area of your body. Relying on your breath is medicine. Reminding yourself that you're willingly letting this tension go because you now understand that nothing in this world, nothing in this life can bind you. You are liberated. You are free. Nothing in this life can bind you. You are liberated. You are free. Take a deep breath in. Blow the breath out. Deep breath in. Blow the breath out. Deep breath in. And blow the breath out. Releasing your hands. Continuing to breathe. Continuing to notice. Continue to observe. Continue to witness. Nothing in this world can bind you. You are liberated. You are free. Taking your attention to your mind. Just observing, noticing, witnessing your mind. Whatever comes up, whatever comes through, you see it and you let it go. As you breathe in, send your breath into your headspace. And as you exhale, blow the breath out. Using your breath to clear, using your breath to release, breathing into your headspace. Letting it all go as you exhale. Nothing in this world, nothing in this life can bind you. You are liberated. You are free. Taking a deep breath into your headspace. Blowing the breath out. And repeating out loud to yourself, nothing in this world, nothing in this life can bind me. I am liberated. I am free. Deep breath in. Blow the breath out. And repeat, I am liberated. I am free. I am liberated. I am free. Taking your attention to your feet. As you breathe in, sending your breath all the way to the bottom of your feet. Feeling your breath anchor you, ground you, sustain you. Giving yourself permission to walk forward in this liberation. Giving yourself permission to walk forward in this freedom. Giving yourself permission to explore what that might look like. Giving yourself permission to be curious about what walking forward in this liberation and in this freedom might look like for you. Take a deep breath in, sending that breath into your feet, and blow the breath out. Deep breath in and blow the breath out. Now taking your attention to your heart space and maybe placing one hand on your chest and breathing into that space where your hand is resting. Gentle breaths in and out through your nose. Noticing if there's any restriction, any tension or tightness in your chest. Allowing yourself to breathe into it. And with every exhale, allowing yourself to release it. Remembering that nothing in this world can bind you. You are liberated. You are free. Deep breath into your heart space. And sigh the breath out. Deep breath into your heart space. And sigh the breath out. Deep breath into your heart space. And sigh the breath out. Repeating to yourself, nothing in this world, nothing in this life can bind me. I am liberated. I am free. Releasing your hand. Taking a deep breath in through your nose. Sighing it out through your mouth. Deep breath in through your nose. And sigh it out through your mouth. Taking your time to come back into this space. Slowly opening your eyes. Making small, gentle movements with your body. Observing, noticing, witnessing how you feel. Allowing yourself to rest in the goodness. Allowing yourself to receive the goodness. Allowing yourself to choose liberation and freedom. Knowing that what you experience, it's all up to you. Nothing in this world, nothing in this life can bind you. You are liberated. You are free. Thank you for being here with me for this Reiki meditation. I love you so much. I do offer a donation-based Reiki meditation on Sunday nights on Zoom. So if you would like to sign up for that, you can use the link in my bio or the link in the description. I will see you next time. I love you.